All right, and for the third and final installment, I wanted to show you how the Magic Touch sponge works amazingly with some of my favorite products as well as some of the current industry faves. So on my painter's palette, I have a selection, a variety of all sorts of products, some complexion, some more for lips or eyes. Right here, I have a little bit of Kiss New York BB cream. Next to that, I have Milani cream bronzer. Next to that, I have a little bit of I Make You Beautiful cream base in just a neutral tone. Right next to that, I have some NARS illuminator in bronze. And then I have a pink from the Makeup Forever Flash palette, silver from the Makeup Forever Flash palette, as well as some OCC lip tar. I'm also going to show you how the product works really well with pressed powders, eyeshadow specifically, using my Benton Eye Press Color palette. So I'm just gonna be doing basic swatches on my arm. First, I'm gonna try a little bit of the Kiss BB cream, and I'm gonna start here. And as you can see, using that same sweeping motion, you almost can't even see the BB cream going into my skin because it's a perfect match, and the Magic Touch sponge is filling every single nook and cranny of my arm. Next up, I'm just going to top the BB cream with a little bit of the Milani bronzer. I'm just gonna layer just the way that I would do on a face. And using that same sweeping motion, you can see this delivers an amazingly natural but still glowing finish. It'll give a really great and healthy look to skin, especially if you're trying to achieve natural looks, if it's just for yourself on an everyday basis or for a client. Next, I'm going to use a little bit of the I Make You Beautiful cream base. Now, what's really great about how this is going to apply is that cream-based products that are similar to the I Make You Beautiful cream bases, like a Bobbi Brown cream shadow or Makeup Forever aqua cream, things of that sort, tend to be much heavier cream products. But the Magic Touch is going to give an incredibly natural finish despite the fact that it's a heavier cream product. And I can even go in, get more product, and really get in my skin, and you'll see it gives a natural finish like it's sitting in the skin. Next up, using the NARS illuminator, I'm going to go to the upper area of my skin, and I'm going to do that same sweeping method. And you see that once again it goes directly into the skin. Now, I'm sure you're thinking, well, these are all, you know, your skin tone, so of course it's going to go directly into your skin. But I'm going to use a little bit of the pink from the Makeup Forever Flash palette, and I'm going to go across all those areas, and you'll see it gives me an incredible finish, even with something that's a pink tone. This would make an incredible blush product for anybody in that skin tone, but look how naturally it goes into the skin. And I even used a large amount of product because it's able to cover my entire arm. And with color products with the Magic Touch sponge, I'm not a body painter necessarily, and I don't do a large amount of avant-garde makeup, but with it giving you the ability to really blend colors that are not, you know, skin tone into the skin, it really gives you great options for body painting and avant-garde makeup. Next, I'm just going to show you with the OCC lip tar because this was pretty amazing to me. OCC lip tar is known for, you know, being a pretty slippery product that can get a lot of different places, but this really allows you to work lip tar into your skin. So considering the immense amount of colors available in lip tar, this would lend for incredible avant-garde and body painting makeup as well. And it's the same thing that you can do with the silver. Using the same sponge and still not compromising my color, I'm gonna go right in between those two colors and create an incredible gradient simply by massaging and brushing. And then just to finish, I'm gonna show you how the product works with some great pressed products. Now, this is my Benton Eye palette. I unfortunately broke a little corner of it, but it's gonna serve its purpose. I'm gonna take my sponge and I'm literally going to just rub it, so you guys can see. I'm just going to rub it across the color of choice. Got some on my sponge, and you'll see that color application. There's no primer on my skin in this. I mean, bentonite colors are true to form, but with any eyeshadow application, of course, you'd want to use a primer. With no primer used, it gives me an incredible color payoff and changes it to almost like a cream-like product. Pretty amazing, or just magic.